Welcome to Make Workshop, where we take a quick look at cool tools, toys, and tech built for makers. Today, we have a pair of CNC routers on the bench. Now, these are pretty interesting. These are kits from Bob's CNC. There's two sizes, as you can see here. There's the E3 over here and the E4 over here. And what these are kits that you order from Bob. They come to you flat packed pretty much. You assemble them, and then you've got a CNC router. These kits are really interesting. You order them from Bob's CNC, and they come in a box with all of these wooden pieces that you then assemble into the entire frame. They come with everything. They come with the waste board and a DeWalt 660 router to go in it. Let's check out the smaller one first. This is the E3. With this router, you get 17 and some change inches on this axis. On this axis, you get just over 15 inches. And on your vertical axis, you get 3.3 inches. They come with everything. You can see here it's got this solid MDF waste board with embedded mounting spots here for the included mounting hardware. This will run on pretty much anything that puts out durable code. So any of the software that you're used to. You can see that it is belt driven with these rails for added stability. The E4 here is a bit larger. With this one you get 24 inches by 24 inches and then 3.3 inches vertically. And this one runs $898. Pretty competitive pricing in this size range. Now these really are meant for somebody just getting started in CNC. If you're wanting to do insanely complex rigid structures out of steel, you're going to spend more and get a much bigger, more rigid machine. But this is kind of entry level. And talking with Bob a little bit, he mentioned that these go into a lot of schools and makerspaces. And since he likes that, what they're doing is they offer a 20% discount for educators that are putting these in schools. Of course, you have to prove that it's going into a school. You can't just tell them you're an educator. That's a pretty big discount. But I thought that was a pretty nice thing that they do. Now, I visited their shop and saw how they were making these, how they were manufacturing them and shipping them, and I thought it was pretty cool. I got a sneak preview of their 7 series router, which is not quite public yet, so I can't really tell you much about it. But if you go follow them on social media or check out their website, Bob CNC, you can get details on their next iteration of this design and their next size. And there you have it, wooden CNC router kits. If you want more information, go to bobscnc.com. I hope you've been enjoying the Make Workshop series of videos. I've been having fun making them. Be sure to leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like us to look at, if there's a type of tool or a specific tool you'd like me to check out. Subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you can get an email whenever we put out a new video.